Hi guys! I'm hiding Easter eggs all around the office today. Some are filled with candy, and one has $500 inside of it.
Real money?
Yes.
Oh, I'm winning that.
No, you're not.
Move.
I saw Faith walking in with a basket of Easter eggs this morning, so I made a few adjustments. I put mulch in them.
Yes! Mulch? Seriously? Listen, I just really need the money for a new car horn. It won't honk anymore. Come on. Come on. Move! Move! Do you think that's a safety issue? There's nothing in any of these. They're all filled with dirt.
Dirt? No.
Yeah, where's the one with the money?
Oh, the one with the money. That's the golden one.
Where's the golden one?
I don't.
Where is the golden?
I don't know.
What the is this?